Hmong residents.
That news has Hmong leaders asking for more transparency from the federal government regarding why it's being considered. NBC 26's Eric Crest has more on this developing story.
Today in Wisconsin, the federal government estimates there are nearly 50,000 Hmong residents, one of the largest populations of Hmong people in the whole country. Now, after fighting alongside the U.S. in the Vietnam War, Hmong people started fleeing from their homes in Laos in fear of being persecuted after the U.S. pulled out of the war. Now, today it's estimated that nearly 200,000 Hmong live in the U.S., but just this week news broke that the Trump administration is considering deporting Hmong people back to Laos, people who have vaguely been described as those who have not become U.S. citizens, who have committed crimes, or who have deportation orders.
They've gave up their lives, their livelihood, just to make it here, and to deport any of Hmong back to Laos is a little bit unfair. They feel betrayed.
Those two first.
Now today, Outagamie County's executive Tom Nelson called on Senator Ron Johnson to be more transparent about why this is being considered. Now, currently, Johnson is on the Senate Foreign Relations Committee, and Nelson says he has the ability to call a hearing on the matter. But as of Tuesday afternoon, Johnson's office has said nothing regarding this news that could impact